In this video, I will show you how to turn off voice control on iPhone. So let's get started. Here we need to make changes at two places to turn off voice control on iPhone. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor section, you will find an option Voice Control. As you can see, it is active at the moment. Just tap on Voice Control. Now on the next screen, just turn off voice control using toggle button. Now go back and tap side button option. Under press and hold to speak option, you will see three choices: Siri, classic voice control and off. Just select off option to disable voice control. This will prevent your iPhone from activating voice control when you press and hold the side button. So that is how you can turn off voice control on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.